Experiencing constant Optus network drops? You're not alone. These drops stem from several factors: network outages due to hardware failures or cyber attacks, band lock issues from incorrect frequency band switching, APN misconfigurations causing incorrect data connection settings, and cell tower problems from congestion or damage. Here's how to tackle these issues head-on for quick fixes. First, try basic troubleshooting. Restart your device and toggle airplane mode on and off. These steps resolve many minor connectivity hiccups. Also, check for Optus carrier settings updates pushed over the air, ensuring your phone is configured properly. For Android users, manually setting the APN to Yes Internet for prepaid plans and Internet for postpaid plans can prevent authentication errors and data loss. These immediate fixes should alleviate the most common dropouts. In the 2022 cyber outage, the resolution was multiple redundant servers, which cut similar risks by 80%. If basic fixes fail, consider band locking. This involves forcing your device to use a specific frequency band, like LTE 700 MHz or 5G 3.5 GHz, to stabilize the connection. Use apps like Network Cell Info Lite to identify and lock onto a stable band. Note that incorrect usage can worsen connectivity, so proceed cautiously. You may also want to investigate signal strength. Optimal strength is -50 to -70 dBm. Still dropping? It might be tower-related, especially in rural areas where coverage is weaker. Use the My Optus app for network diagnostics. If the automated troubleshooter can't resolve the issue, or if you suspect hardware damage, especially after storms, contact Optus support. Experts recommend these fixes as Optus's AI tools are expected to have network drops by 2027. Remember, community forums also offer valuable insights and user-driven solutions, offering alternative fixes and information sharing. In 2023, farmers in rural NSW fixed their 5G drops by locking their device to LTE band 28, stabilizing connections, and seeing drop rates fall from 50 to 5%.